Dad, I heard you tell one of your customers that don't use the wrong data for AI training.
Yes, I did tell them.
Data is data, right? The more, the better, right?
No, not always. Let me try and explain this to you. How about we make you a fruit bowl?
Yes!
Should we add some milk to it?
Isn't that 4 weeks old?
Yes, it is 4 weeks old, but what if I add spoiled milk?
Wouldn't it make us sick?
Exactly. That is what happens when you add outdated, decayed data to your GTM or AI model training. It will make your business fall sick. How about some candies? I'm sure you love some candies.
I do love candies, but not in fruit.
Exactly. The same applies to data. Just because the data is good and not decayed, you just cannot add it to your AI training or GTM motions. You need to use right data for the right purpose. So clearly candies are not meant for this purpose. How about we add some nuts?
Yes!
So this is where the more the merrier, like you said, because this is right ingredient for the right purpose, not outdated and not decayed. The more the merrier. You can use as much as you like. Now there you go. Fresh, healthy, made for purpose, used right ingredients, not outdated. The bowl of fruit is almost ready. It's probably missing something, right?
Yeah.
Now, how about we add some liquor for the final touch?
Not at all! I'm still not 21. I can only drink liquor when I'm 21.
Exactly. Just as you cannot touch liquor till you're 21 because you need to abide with the law, the same applies to data. There are local and international regulatory requirements that you need to comply with. And beyond that, there are ethical and moral grounds that you need to comply with.
Let's finish it off with some honey.
Perfect. Let's do it. So the last thing, just because the honey and liquor looks almost the same, they are not the same. The same applies to data. Just because they feel and look the same, they are not always the same. Use appropriate data for your AI and GTM motions.
How should we know what is right data and wrong data?
Well, there's two ways for that. One, trial and error. Like you end up adding spoiled milk, end up adding liquor, then you run into legal issues, compliance issues, and then you learn what you shouldn't do. Or the option two is, that's what businesses like ours do. At SaaS Story, we help SaaS businesses find right data and compliant data for their AI training and GTM motions. Now you know, right?
Yeah. If you like this video, smash the like button and show some love.